How to claim Worldcoin. Now download the Worldcoin app, go to App Store or Google Play Store, search for the Worldcoin and download the official app. Open the app after installation. After that, create or log into your account. So if you don't have an account, create one by following the instructions. If you already have an account, simply log into your account. After that, complete the ORB verification. So visit Worldcoin ORB location or schedule a verification. Follow the instructions to scan your eye using the ORB device, and this step confirms your identity. Now wait for verification approval. So after the scan, wait a few minutes or hours for the app to confirm your identity, and you will get a verification. When your verification is complete, you can now claim your Worldcoin tokens. So once verified, open the app and go to claim section. Click the button to claim your Worldcoin tokens. Then the tokens will be added to your wallet. Finally, check your wallet balance. So go to wallet, tap in the app. You should see your Worldcoin balance updated with the claimed tokens. And this is how to claim Worldcoin. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.